mention something on the shadow prices, which I've said it's also known as the dual prices. So when you hear shadow price and the dual price is the same. So there are cases whereby you prepare your solution using the simplex method. Then you realize that you still have some shadow prices which are giving you, for example, maybe you may find S1 is giving you 0, S2 is maybe giving you 5, and S3 is giving you 4. So where you find a shadow price or a dual price is 0, then it indicates that this is a binding constraint. So where you find the shadow price or the dual price is 0, then it means that particular constraint is a binding constraint. Then when you find, or where you find a shadow price or a dual price is not 0, it's non-zero, like 4 and 5 in this case, and these are non-binding. These are non-binding constraint. Non-binding constraint simply means there is more capacity. For example, if you are making a profit, it may be the profit that you are making at that point, the maximum profit is 100 shillings. This is now the maximum profit that you are having. Then you have two variables, S2 and S3, which are non-binding constraint, which simply means they still have some idle capacity. If you relax the limiting factor, assuming maybe this is labor, and this is raw materials. So when you relax labor constraint, for example, if the machine hour was 8 hours, you increase this labor by 1 hour, 1 unit. That is what we mean by 1 unit. You increase this by 1 hour, then this profit here will be able to increase by 5. If it is raw material that you relax it, for example, you had only 50 meters of raw materials, then you increase this to 51, just adding by 1 unit, then this profit here, what we're calling the maximum profit, is likely to change by 4 units. So the highest which you need to consider now is this one, where we have the 5, which will give you more profit of 5. So it simply means where you have non-zero, those dual prices or those shadow prices are likely to change the profitability if you increase the limiting factor by 1 unit. So that's what it means by the shadow price or